Feeling stuck in your career? Techflix Analytics is your gateway to professional transformation. Our expert-led webinars and hands-on workshops have already guided over 12,000 professionals toward their dream careers. From career transition framework to one-on-one training, we provide the essential tools, career switch strategies, and cross-industry information which you need to thrive in today's competitive landscape. Our personalized approach ensures you're not just learning, you're evolving into the professional you aspire to be.
Even if you're from a non-tech background, perhaps a civil or mechanical engineer, an MBA, have a conventional degree like BBA, BSc or BA, preparing for a government job, or even a college student who wants to start big in the industry, you can join our webinar to learn how to switch to a high-paying career. Discover what skills are needed scenario and how to achieve packages of 25 lakh per annum and more. Seize the opportunity. Join our webinar now. One decision can change your life.